Hey green-thumbed friends, welcome back to the Plant Lady channel. In this video, we're diving deep into 2023's top garden trends. So let's unearth the hottest happenings in the plant world. First up, sustainable gardening. As the global community becomes more environmentally conscious, our gardens are reflecting that too. Expect to see more composting, rainwater harvesting, and native plantings. Vertical and balcony gardening. With urban spaces shrinking, vertical and balcony gardening is skyrocketing in popularity. It's all about optimizing limited spaces. Digital garden planners. Welcome to the digital age of gardening. There are now apps and software that help you plan, manage, and even water your garden. Tech in nature. A match made in heaven. Edible gardens. Say goodbye to ornamental-only spaces. 2023 is all about dual-purpose plants. Think blueberry shrubs and nasturtiums. Who said you can't have a garden that looks and tastes good? Mindfulness spaces. Gardens have always been a retreat, but now more than ever, we're seeing the rise of Zen corners, meditation zones, and even garden yoga spots. Houseplants galore. As more people embrace indoor living, houseplants are having a moment, especially exotic varieties and air-purifying champions. Biodiversity boosters. 2023 is all about welcoming wildlife, from pollinator-friendly plants to bird baths and even insect hotels. Natural garden decor. Moving away from plastics, the trend is rustic, recycled, or handmade garden decor. Think stone, wood, and even woven pieces. And there you have it, the hottest trends in the gardening world this year. But remember, the best garden trend is the one that brings you joy. Till next time, keep those green thumbs active. And happy planting! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening inspiration.